Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a YouTube channel art. And to do that, first of all, we're gonna go to Snappa, and then we go to Snappa. Here, let me start from the back. Okay, so this is the page you got after you create an account, and you just go down, headers, banners, and profile pages. You're gonna go to YouTube channel art, and then you were just gonna click create from scratch. Very simple, very easy. So, okay, over here we have some options. So these are the photos that Snappa gives us, and there's like so many photos that I probably haven't even seen 20% of them, even though I've been using it for a month. So instead of doing all that, we're just gonna search any color or anything we want. For this video, I'm gonna be searching gray. Also, if you don't want any of these, you can always upload your own, but then you're gonna be having a trouble doing the sizes and everything. But if you're on that stuff, you can just go ahead and upload. And so, for example, for this video, let's just use this. Okay, so we got our background. So over here, by the way, it shows TV only area. So if somebody were to be viewing my channel, for example, if they were viewing it from TV, they would be able to see all these areas. But the main part you want to focus is this middle part, and then the secondary main would be the max desktop, because this part is the part where all devices see. So you're gonna want to focus on that. So we're just gonna add heading, and then my channel is TechnoWeb. So I'm just gonna type in TechnoWeb, and I want to change the color. Let's change it to white, and then we're gonna click this. I can choose the font. There's like a lot of font options you can go with. And okay, I'm just gonna choose one just to show you guys. And then this is the letter spacing. I don't want them to be too spaced up. So, okay, we're done with that. So, what I want to do is add my Instagram. So, I'm just gonna search Insta, and all these came up. So, we're just gonna go with this regular Instagram and just resize it, move it to a corner because that's where I want it to be. And yes, and then I'm just gonna go back to text, add heading. Oh, my bad, not add heading. Let me just remove that real quick. Okay, text, add subheading this time. We're gonna just move it right next to Instagram logo. And then I'm just gonna type in my Instagram. By the way, you guys can check me out on Instagram. I would really appreciate that. And after we're done with that, you can go to effects, just play with it. You know, you can make the picture white, blue from here. For example, if I want it to be purple, could go to purple, or let's do this. You can change the whole theme without changing anything. And also, let's also make this white. And when you're done with everything, you're just gonna go to download and choose which one you want. Or if you want to save it for later, you can just go to save and it will save it up. Right now it's saved, and saved graphics. You can see our saved graphics. This is another one that I did for my own YouTube. And this is the one that we just did it together. So very simple program, and it's very good for people that are getting started on YouTube just like I did. So I do really recommend it. If you like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what I should be doing for my next video. And take care, guys. Peace out.